doing another YouTube video today. We're having a toy gun war. Me against Austin, if you remember from the toy gun video. Well, my Lego collection video. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my base. I'll catch you at my base. Toy gun. So Austin here has a Scorpion. He has a Tommy gun, Nerf gun, and an MP5, and I'm just using an AK, MG42 machine gun, and a M16. Alright, so I'll catch you at the base. Alright, he's counting down. We're at my base. Hold on, I gotta change my gun out. You guys see him over there? Alright, you guys, I'm gonna use a lighter gun because this gun's heavy. I'm gonna switch my M4A1. Got you. He's down. Tango down 1-0. And I'm gonna go attack him. First person GTA 5 mode. He's over there. I'm gonna camp. I'm gonna lay down. Sit down. Right now we're in crawling mode. No, you're not allowed on this side.
Oh.
You're only allowed in the front of your base.
No, because you ran back there whenever I was attacking.
When?
Earlier,
I didn't know you were attacking.
Yeah, I was attacking.
Oh, I didn't know you
We can go, if we're attacking, we can go that way or that way. But if we're a base protector...
You only allowed to go in the front of your base. You're not allowed to go in my base.
I'm not allowed to go in it, but I'm allowed to... I'm allowed to
this
do
is my side. The protectors aren't allowed in the other person's base. Like,
no.
Past this tree right there. You're not allowed to pass that. So
What? No, I killed you already.
Dead.
Like right here. No, the video isn't even freaking going yet. But,
yeah, but if I'm definitely caught an attacker, you're not supposed to come and attack me.
No, I'm talking about if I'm an attacker, I can stand right here and kill you.
I know, but you weren't an attacker. You were a base protector.
When?
You said come and attack my base.
No.
Yeah, I was the attacker. You were just the attacker. You just had to come and attack my base before you came over here.
I don't remember that, but let's just stop talking arguing. Nobody.
You're
wins.
done. Done.
No, we're turning it around because we got one.
Alright guys, we're back. I'm at his base right now. So we're No, you're wait, yeah, I'm attacking. Got my trusty handy duty Tommy gun right here. Get out of the hole! I shot a grenade in there.
No, you didn't.
I did. Alright. You gotta come and attack me. I'll tell you when I'm ready. You're not allowed to look back here. Alright guys, I'm going back to that treehouse back there. You see it? I'm going back there to snipe him whenever he comes. I'm gonna take my trusty handy duty Tommy. Now you know what? I'm gonna take the MG42 machine with M1 Brownie. No, not yet. Alright. No, you're not allowed to look back here. No, not yet. Go to the police. Ready? Right here. Another find me. Oh shit, he's going around. I could easily shot him right there. Shit. Yeah, I see him over there. Alright, I'm gonna get on the gun right now. You know what? I'm gonna go inside of this place. I'm not sure you guys see him yet, but he's right there. It's right over there.
Gotcha.
Nuh-uh, I was behind cover.
Oh, damn it.
So,
Kill me.
we have a hostile, guys. Run while you still can. Are you guys moving? Alright, we're going to attack. We're going juggernaut mode. No silent mode. Taking my trusty handy duty Tommy gun. If I was him, I'd be using the AK. He's gonna sneak around. He's right over here. He's over there, guys. Well, this is the last round, guys, because he has to go home soon. So, I'm gonna get him. I'm not losing. I lost him. Bye. Oh, come on. He would have been blasted right there. Got you. Last round. That was the last round, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more. Keep it rigid.